we have to plan one common free time. In that we can have a quick review of the all evaluative reports. That I think won't take more
Okay.
than 1 hour.
Now is it okay?
So at what time can we do it, sir?
Now PPT is available.
Sir, others also please.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay.
After
So now we see another example of H parameter numerical.
No, 4 to 5 not possible, sir. Last hour is not possible because
A common emitter amplifier.
After 5, what happened again, we don't know till tomorrow 9 o'clock. Tomorrow 9 o'clock meeting is there. So this is because principals are slots are blocked for the
uses a voltage source
week for a week of 14th of this month to 22nd of this month. So that is the problem. Before 14th, we are planning to complete complete all the reviews. All the reviews means profile, extended profile, all the QAF, executive summary,
internal resistance.
So that's why. So this we came to know yesterday evening. So that is why this variable. Sir, before 4 to 5, what is the convenient time, sir?
RS is equal to 800 ohm.
Where this Gokulam left?
And
Sir, Gokulam sir, what is your time, sir?
The load
time?
Sir, yeah, in between I have disconnected. Just now I joined.
resistance.
Disconnected. Just now I'm joining again.
Okay. Sir, we received evaluative reports now.
RL is equal to 1000 ohm.
Give consolidated numbers only, right?
Yes.
So that consolidated numbers from each department, if we add that some reflect the
H parameters.
comply the number given in the SSR. For example, total number of indexed journals published in the year 1950. So that we are giving in the SSR, right? So that number should comply
HIE.
Some of the individual.
What should be the unit of HIE?
So like that number of workshops in us. So whatever.
Yeah, somebody can respond. HIE.
Ohm, sir.
So that
ohm, correct. So 1
so in case of any deviations, mismatches,
kilo ohm.
For example, index
Then HRE. What is the unit of HRE?
No units.
Okay.
They are the in charge of
2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4.
What is that? That
Okay.
particular
HFE. What is the unit of HFE?
metric number. They have to ensure like that shall we keep or
No unit.
units.
that is only better.
And
Then
HOE is given as 25 micro ampere per volt, right? These are the given. So this HOE we will write in ampere per volt. So this is equal to
spend 1 hour time for that to moderate that you will be
25 into
overall evaluative report.
10 raised to power minus 6. So in all numerical you convert it in ampere per volt, right?
Some of the, for example, if we take an indexed journal, number of indexed journals for a particular year. For
now
that particular year,
we have to calculate
those numbers for all the departments. So that should be equal to the number given in the SSR for that particular year. Just it is,
current gain.
You alone need not to do anything. Just you have to take the help of criteria coordinators. So they represent
input resistance
represents one department. For example, Prabhakar sir representing EC department
and voltage gain.
So he will hold the
these three we have to calculate
of the EC department.
Okay. So
I'm just giving example.
What you can do?
Represent the mechanical department's evaluative report. Okay. So that is one part. 1 minute, sir. Let me finish.
First
That
thing
is
what
one
I will
part.
do,
Another part is
I will find
that
out
ability to report.
what value I am
For
getting
example,
if I
if
multiply
that is the number of papers published, then criteria 3 coordinator
HOE with
will give you
RL.
the number. What is
I
the
will.
number?
I want this value first,
Okay, sum of the
right?
individuals is equal to sum
So
x means
here
what is
we
the
will
x?
get
The criteria
25
coordinator 3 will give for that number of indexing
into
levels. So like that,
10 raised to the
different
power
question is there.
minus
Adi,
6
each question
multiplied by
will be
RL.
sum
RL.
of the
RL is
criteria.
1000.
That criteria coordinator will give the SSR number. And
So if we
help of this
calculate
thing,
this,
your
then
responsibility is to just
what
add
value
all
will
these
come?
numbers and whether it is matching or not. So that
Yeah.
means you have to know. That is the thing, sir.
0. Point
No, parallelly
0
from today entirely I will be
to
occupied with this reviews. What is that? Editing.
5, right?
Criteria 4.
Now,
Criteria
Yes, sir.
why I have done this? Yeah, anybody can tell why I have first
Tell
checked
me, sir,
this.
now, is it okay, sir? Gupta, sir?
To know which way in which way you have to calculate, sir.
Yes.
Exact or approximate.
Yeah.
No.
So
No.
we
Yeah,
know that
recently,
if HIE RL
I will attach
is
I will
less
put
than
this, here.
equal to
Already Gokulam sir conducted this,
0.1,
L-
then we will go for
reports were involved. So that will support you.
yes.
Approximate, sir.
Yeah.
Gokulam sir, please.
Sometimes in numerical it is given that use approximate
Sir,
analysis
it
or
is very
use.
simple, sir.
If nothing is
Table,
given, then you should go with
let us say some
exact analysis. Even then, if you can calculate and you find that if its value is less than 0.1, then directly you can go with approximate analysis, right? And if HIE
Sir, it is like, for example,
RL is greater than 0.1, then we will go for exact.
Placed. For example, this is the question. Okay, Gupta sir will read out that question. Okay, and you will tell the number of placements and happened.
So
in that
here
year.
in this case, it is
So that
coming
is your responsibility.
0.025.
Apart from I'm asking you.
It is less
So
than
that
0.1,
total number,
right?
the total number
So
you
we
will
can
give.
go with
So
this.
then,
Now, since
then
HOE
but that is default, sir. There is no
is less than
that is default. Apart from that,
0.1,
yes, Gupta sir is
so
sharing because he is new to that
we can
terminal.
do
Hmm.
approximate analysis.
Yes, yes. So just tallying the numbers, sir. That's it. All criteria coordinators are very
Right?
experienced.
So we can do
In that
approximate
discussion, they will
analysis.
help you, sir.
So first thing,
And
current
sir
gain.
is also busy.
If you recall in the approximate analysis, we have not written here the formulas.
Sorry.
We write here.
Chandrasekhar sir or Chiranjeev sir, these are also old people, they will help you, sir. Okay. Sriramurthy, not sure.
So
Thank
here,
you. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Now Chiranjeev sir,
current gain.
Something.
So this current gain, you what formula we wrote at that time? You just check this current gain. HFE. So it is your HFE. Then we will see.
Sir, Chandrasekhar sir,
We can see this voltage gain.
Actually, it should not, because we already ensured those numbers during the submission of AQRs.
Or
But still single digit
RI
variations
is
are possible because
HIE.
19 AQR we have not submitted. 1920 AQR we have,
HIE.
18 I think
Okay.
submitted
We
by
write this.
Srirumuthi sir. And 1920 is not yet submitted. Therefore, from these 2 years, some deviation may be possible. Apart from this, there is
And,
no chance of getting deviation, right?
AV
So still, if there are any deviation,
is
please minute it.
AI
Deviation,
multiplied by
please minute
RL
it.
by RI.
And immediately after that audit, again we will have a meeting for 10-15 minutes. We can discuss, and still at our level, if it is not resolved, then we can tomorrow review is there. No, that time we can escalate. Okay.
And
so now for you,
R out
in case of any
is
deviation, please refer.
in approximate analysis
all
we
4
keep it
AQRs,
infinite.
what you have submitted
So it is
far.
very simple.
The
No
updated
calculations
AQRs
are required right now. AI is HFV.
uploaded into
So
our
AI
GMR
is equal to
all AQRs 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18 and 18, 19 AQRs are
HFE.
there on the GMR.
Therefore, your AI
Okay, sir.
will be HFE given here is 50. It is
Respect
50.
to those, you can take those AQRs also.
Simple.
While tallying these numbers.
Write this.
Then, if there any deviation.
Then
Sir,
part
we have
we
to
see
wherever
RI.
deviations are there, so that how to address it.
RI
we
is
discuss at the next.
HIE. So we have HIE value given in the numerical. It is 1 kilo ohm. Right? Now
Sir, it is there in AQR. Don't
third
worry.
part we will see
It is there in
AB. This is AI
so that big debate happened.
multiplied by
In
RL by RI.
okay.
So this will be AI is 50 multiplied by RL
This international
by RI.
conferences also,
RL is 1000
that, I think we had a big debate on it on that in the boardroom.
and RI
So that
is also 1000.
Yeah.
Please unmute.
Yeah.
So AB is voltage gain is
It's mentioned no. So that time we assume that. That time we assume that. That is what
please
that time we assume that. So it
unmute
is international
unmute yourself.
conference that can be happened in the India also. Happened in India also. These numbers also we have considered that time. So this time what you do is that inside India you deduct and outside India if possible you keep and make it red so that we can discuss tomorrow. సార్ C6 ఒకసారి వాళ్ళు చూసేస్తారు నిన్న కొన్ని మోడిఫికేషన్ చేశారు సో అది ఒకసారి చూసేసి ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ అలా పట్టచ్చు ఎక్కువ పట్టచ్చు.
Okay, so quickly we have analyzed this, and now what we will do for the same numerical we will calculate we will do the analysis by using exact analysis also. Then we see what results we are getting, right? So now we will do the same calculations.
మీకు నైట్ పంపించాను చూసారా ఇనిషియేటివ్స్
using
నైట్ మీకు ఇనిషియేటివ్స్ పంపించాను చూసారా
exact analysis.
Sir, Chandrasekhar sir, in case of such ambiguities, please make it red.
Right.
That
So,
will minute the note the minute.
First,
so that will be a discussion point.
We will see AI.
Whatever it's, I think that is not a big thing. And we
And
will
this
say
AI,
Gupta sir.
we will use the formula minus
ఎవరో ఒకరు minute చేసేటట్టు చూస్తున్నారు.
H FE
Probably that 9
1
sir, complete
plus
4 days మనకి ఇచ్చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు
HOE RL. Okay. So
దాని బిఫోర్ ఇది ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తాం.
This will be
డాక్యుమెంట్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా?
HFE
డీవియేషన్స్ అని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం.
is 50. Somebody can calculate this by putting the values.
Into 5. Okay, sir. Before 5 o'clock, please see that we'll be receiving the minutes. And after meeting, we need a discussion now. And
HOERL already we have calculated.
Sir.
HOERL, see here already we calculated, right? So this value directly I will put there 0.025.
48.78, sir.
How much it is coming? Minus
48.78.
మీ ట్రిపుల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హార్డ్ కాపీ ఇచ్చింది, అది ఒకటి ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయమని చెప్పాలి. శ్రీరమూర్తి గారినేమో సిఎస్సి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కాపీ, అంటే ఎవరితో వాళ్ళు తెచ్చుకుంటూ బెటర్ సార్. హార్డ్ కాపీ కాదు, సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ. అప్పట్లో నాకు కొంతమంది హార్డ్ కాపీస్ ఇచ్చారు, నా దగ్గర ఉన్నది ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
So this is our AI.
మిస్ అయినట్లుంటే ఆ పర్టికులర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ క్రైటీ రిపోర్ట్.
This is the exact analysis, right? And when we did the approximate, then it was 40, it was 50. Okay, it is near that only. See here this minus sign, right? Minus sign is only the indication that input and output are 180-degree out of phase. This is the indication. Input and output are 180-degree out of phase. The meaning is this. Suppose our input, at the input we are having some this type of signals, right? So this is our input and our output will be like this, right? Only minus sign is the indication of this, right? If you recall in common emitter, if you are taking the output across collector and emitter, then you get this out of phase signal there, right? This is the indication of this minus sign.
ఆ సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ మీరే గ్రూప్ ఆ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ అయిపోయింది. సిఎస్సి మన ఆయన ప్రింట్అవుట్ ఇచ్చారు, మీ దగ్గర ఆయన ఎడిట్ చేసింది మీరు తీసుకుంటారు ఒకసారి.
Now
అలాగే సిఎస్సి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నుంచి ఒకటి తీసుకుంటారు, పంపిస్తాను. మ్యాక్సిమం ఐటీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఒకటి పెండింగ్. సో ఈసీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కన్నన్ సార్ అండ్ ప్రభాకర్ సార్ విల్ సీ. ట్రిపుల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ చంద్రశేఖర్ సార్ విల్ సీ. చంద్రశేఖర్ సార్ and TS Kishore sir. Mechanical department Chiranjeev sir will see. Civil department Gokul sir will see. Chemical department Gangadhar sir will see.
AI
and
CSC
department
RL
Sriramurthy sir will see. And IT
so
department,
if we put the value of HIE, HIE is 1K. So in ohm I am writing 1000
IR of the 7
plus
IT department
AI is minus 48.78.
Chandrasekhar sir and Gupta sir, please note this
multiplied by
names sir. So these will
HRE 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4.
Represent the all you do report.
2 into
Names chapter sir.
10 raised to the power minus
4 sir and Kannan sir.
Into RL. RL is 1000 ohm. RL is 1000.
Mechanical Chandrasekhar sir.
Right? So here if we calculate, then we are going to get 1000 minus
civil broken, sir.
yeah, someone can calculate and tell me the answer. 1000 minus this within bracket.
Sir.
Sir, total answer is 90.24.
How much?
990.24.
1 minute, sir. No, madam.
990.24 and bracket part this
9.756, sir.
9.756.
Sir, again 9:30 you told now. So 9 to 9:30.
Okay. So
Sir, I thought we'll be seeing in the direct meeting 9:30 Teams meeting is scheduled. I thought we'll be directly seeing that.
okay. So
Okay.
then
Sorry, sir,
we see the
in that case. Okay, sir.
third part. And how much RI we were getting? And in approximate analysis, it is 1K, right? In approximate analysis, we are having 1K and exact it is 990. So in approximately, you will find, in approximate analysis, you will find some approximations, right? Approximate values. And those values are valid. You can consider those values are valid if you are doing the approximate analysis by seeing the condition of HOE multiplied by RL is less than equal to 0.1, right? Okay. Then we do one thing for RI. For RI there is another formula is there na? For RI we may use that formula and we try to calculate that. Here we have not written RI. Yeah, this one.
మీటింగ్ లో మీరు ఉంటారు, హెచ్ఓడిస్ ఉంటారు, ఎవాల్యుయేటివ్ రిపోర్ట్స్ అక్కడ రివ్యూ అవుతాయి. సరే Gokulan sir, understood right? Tomorrow meeting, tomorrow's meeting, I will intimate you because that depends on their free time, right?
RI
respective criteria coordinator
is equal to HIE minus HRE HFE divided by HO plus 1 by RL. Right, with this also we will try once to calculate the values. So HRE is what is the value of HIE? HIE is 1K. 1K minus HRE 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4. 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Some student can calculate yourself also, no problem. And HFE is 50. Divide by HO. HO is 25 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 plus 1 by RL. RL is I think 1K. RL is yes 1000. RL is 1000.
Okay, sir. It's like
So this will be 1000 minus.
ఎందుకంటే కన్నం గారు ఎవాల్యుయేటివ్ రిపోర్ట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ప్రభాకర్ సార్
This is 50 into 2. Write it as 100 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4.
మీరందరూ ఒక చోట కూర్చుని పోండి సార్ గ్యాలరీ హాల్ లో.
And
సార్ గ్యాలరీ హాల్ లో కూర్చుని
1000 into this. So we will get 25
better to sit in one place all 6 7
into 10 raised to the power minus
గ్యాలరీ హాల్ లో కూర్చుంటే అయిపోద్ది ఫాస్ట్
3 plus 1.
ఇష్టం
Okay.
బోర్డ్ రూమ్ అవైలబుల్ గా
So
ఉండాలి.
it is 1000
ఏదైనా క్లాస్ రూమ్ లోనే ఖాళీ కదా ఏదో ఒక
minus
సెంటర్ పాయింట్
100 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 into 1000
but see those
and
rooms
here
will be free at that time. We have to book in advance.
1.05.
If the
Right.
classroom in
So this will be
that will be available.
1000 minus
you go to electrical department in that case.
1.025
Prabhakar sir, Prabhuji,
and here it will be
10, sir.
10. Okay, 10 divided by this and then what we are getting? 1000 minus 10 divided by 1.025. 10 divided by 1.025. 9.75. 9.76. Okay. So what we are getting? Minus 1000.
జస్ట్ అంటే సపోర్ట్ చేయండి సార్ టేబుల్
Okay.
990.24.
24
ఓకే సార్ నాకు
ohm.
మీటింగ్ ఉంది.
Ohm. Right.
ఓకే ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సో మీరు యూ విల్ బి జాయినింగ్ బై 3 o'clock.
So same here I forgot to write the unit. Always you write the units, right? Without unit it won't work.
ఫిజికల్ అన్నారుగా.
Okay. So we are getting same. So you can apply any one of the formula, right? Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Then we have to find out the voltage gain. So voltage gain will be here.
ఓకే సార్ బాయ్ సార్.
Okay, we are doing exact analysis. So AI RL by RI. AI RL by RI.
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
So AI is minus 48.78.
సార్ మీరు అంటే ఇప్పుడు
Minus
మీటింగ్ అయింది జాయిన్ అవ్వాలా?
48.78.
సరే
RL is 1000
సార్ అప్డేట్ చేస్తాను.
and RI is 990.24.
చేయాలి 930 అది ఎవాల్యుయేటివ్ రిపోర్ట్స్ చెక్ చేసుకోమన్నారు.
Here this is multiplying.
రేపు రివ్యూ
So
చేస్తాను.
what we are getting, that we'll see. 1000 divided by 990.24. This multiplied by 48.78. So it is 49. 49.78
అంటే ముందు మనం చూసిన తర్వాత రేపు HOD వాళ్ళతో రివ్యూస్ అవుతాయి. వాళ్ళ
This
డైరెక్ట్
is the
కూర్చోబెట్టి ఈ నెంబర్ ఏంటి ఆ
voltage
నెంబర్
gain.
ఏంటి అంటే బాగోదు కదా.
This is the voltage gain.
అదేం కాదు సార్,
Right.
టేబుల్ లో నెంబర్ అంతా
And what voltage gain
ఓకేనా.
we calculated during the approximate analysis?
అది quite understandable,
It was
sir.
50.
50, sir.
So it is okay. So in approximate analysis, you get the answers which are quite near to the exact analysis, right? So you can do the approximate analysis.
Sir.
If there is a question in the examination, then nothing is mentioned. Nothing is mentioned. Then you find out whether you have to go with approximate or exact by calculating HOE
Good
RL.
morning, sir.
Otherwise, you can do anything, it does not matter. Right. Now we will see another example.
Sir,
You can leave the meeting here.
sir, Zenamut sir, you give printout to sir, sir will check the hard copy. Now we will start the criteria report.
Where is that numerical?
Sir, actually, he coordinated with Gangadhar. Gangadhar కలిసారా, మాట్లాడారా? Sir, have you spoke to Gangadhar?
Okay. Now you note down this question, and this question you have to do, right? Okay, I write here. Example 3. Figure shows the circuit of a single stage common emitter amplifier. Okay, so the figure is like this.
మ్యామ్ ఇది ఇది రెడీ మేడం. అలాగే అలాగే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ జాబ్.
Okay, so here there is one VCC. This is one register RC and its value is 5K. There is this register is RE. Its value is 1K. Here there is one register R1. Its value is 20K.
I'm doing, sorry.
And
it went in mute. I'm talking. Yes, sir.
This is a register R2. Its value is 10K. Okay. And here is one capacitor called as coupling capacitor CC1. There is another coupling capacitor CC2, and there is one bypass capacitor CE. Okay. And we have to take the output. And this is R is equal to 10K. So this is the circuit diagram. One single stage common emitter amplifier. And here it is given.
Maybe where is it?
HIE. This is 1.5 kilo ohm. Right? Then there is HRE. And this is equal to 5 into 10 raised to the power -3. There is HFE, which is equal to 50, and HOE, two into 10 raised to the power -5 microampere per volt. These things are given. Right? Now we have to calculate. Current gain, input resistance, voltage gain, and output resistance. So this we have to do, right? So first we will see whether can we go with approximate analysis or exact analysis, right? For that, what we have to do, we have to find out the value of H OE multiplied by RL.
అయిపోయింది ఆయనది 4 minutes ఉంది అయిపోతుంది.
Right.
10 అయిపోతుంది.
So now when you are doing this calculation, before that what you should do, you should convert this figure into AC equivalent circuit, right? Because you want to find RL. You want to find RL. What is the RL here? You might be thinking that this R, that is 10K, this is a RL. But since we are doing the H parameter calculation, and when we do the H parameter, you always remember we are doing the AC analysis, right? So you convert this circuit into its equivalent AC circuit. So how you will do that? So remember, if you are having DC voltage source, connect it to the ground. If you are having capacitors, make it short, right? Make it short. So in doing so, you will come to AC equivalent circuit like this.
నా స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవుతుంది సార్.
See here, this end is ground. So if this VCC, you have to connect to the ground for AC analysis, for AC equivalent circuit, right? This means R1 and R1, this will be connected to ground. RC will also connected to the ground, right? So in this way the circuit will become like this. This is your R2. This is your R1. In between there was one capacitor, so that capacitor is short, and see here RE, across this there is one capacitor, so you short it. So if you short it, then RE will be bypassed, so there is, it looks like there is no RE, right? So you can replace this RE also by this short circuit. Then this is your RC, then another capacitor that is also short, and this is your R, and this is the output you are taking. So what is your load now? If you see from here, your load RL is RC parallel to R. So you find RL from here now, right? Then you multiply that with this HO, and then you find what value you are getting. Accordingly you do the things, right? So you try this question by yourself. Tomorrow we will discuss about this question.